That's Artemis II.
We learned a ton on Artemis I. A lot of just how the vehicle works and how to fly it, especially from our perspective.
When SLS cleared the tower at Pad B, we put Orion exactly where it needed to be. The upper stage conducted a perfect burn. Orion spent an incredible retrograde orbit around the moon, achieving a distance further than any spacecraft designed to carry humans had ever been. And when it came back to Earth, it performed the first ever skip re-entry of a vehicle.
For Artemis I, the #1 priority mission objective was a test of the heat shield on Orion for lunar return.
Orion conducted the final major maneuver of its mission, a return trajectory correction burn of its thrusters to further fine-tune its path toward its splashdown site in the Pacific.
One of the biggest learnings we had from Artemis I was how the thermal protection system was able to perform during re-entry.